Whoa, I did not expect this. What's up, travelers? Let me get this a little bit closer. What's up, travelers? I'm in Hong Kong. I just had a layover from my Air India flight. I'm now connecting to Thai Airways, who I've flown quite a bit, but this is my first time on their A330, so we're gonna see what their regional business class is like, but also we'll see. I've been thinking about doing this. I don't know if I actually will, but I kind of want to do a mukbang on this flight where I just like talk during the meal and chat with you guys. We'll see how that actually turns out, but that could be what this video is. I don't even know yet. Otherwise, it might just be a random review. In either case, if I don't do a mukbang, let me know below if you'd like one. Alrighty, here is our seat in Thai Airways A330 business class, and look how adorable that you get 2 orchids on board. Wow. So the cabin is quite dense, as you can see. But here is our seat. Seriously, I can't get over how cute this is. They're real orchids. What? We also have menus waiting at our seat. Now I'm feeling like the contrast between Thai and Air India is so big. And then we have a pillow and a thick, nice blanket waiting at our seat. She's thick. And seat controls. Let's see, I think this is the tray table. Yes, I am correct. Whoa, that is a big tray table. And then down to our side we have the headphones, which are huge and look very nice, along with a power port in there. If we don't like the person next to us, we just pull this out and say bye. Now, luckily, I do love the person next to me. Here we can also put a water bottle. Wow. Thai Airways serves a pre-departure beverage of choice in business class. Hot towels before takeoff, and oh my gosh, hold on. Whoa, I did not expect this. It's so funny because I was telling Oscar, like, you know, it's probably going to be a bit worse than Air India, definitely worse than the seat in Air Asia Premium Flatbed. And now I'm like, okay, just kidding. This seat feels so much more luxurious for some reason. And the presentation, I mean, talk about different. The flight attendants do personal greetings on Thai. Who had any idea? So you have a dedicated flight attendant taking care of you, bringing you a pre-departure beverage of your choice, and a hot towel before takeoff. This is another world from Air India. Now I'm like, oh yeah, this is business class. So Thai Airways has menus, which means we gotta check them out. So let's see here what they have on the 2-hour flight to Bangkok. We're getting some peppermint tea that I ordered. Lots of nice salted and roasted almonds. Maybe a slightly nicer touch would be serving these in a little glass bowl, but we don't need to be too picky. And yeah, I'm super excited for the meal actually. Alright, so here are our meals, and weirdly, even though I ordered one Western and one Oriental vegetarian, they are exactly the same. It actually looks very similar to what we were served on the last flight on Air India, but there's loads of fruit, which is nice. Hong Kong really never, I don't think actually SQ first was decent catering out of Hong Kong, but overall Hong Kong really doesn't have the best catering. Alright, mukbang time. I don't really have that much food, but I'm going with what Thai has to offer. Yeah. Bon appetit. This is weird, like, I guess it's an oriental vegetarian meal. I really, really wish Thai did Thai vegetarian meals, but they only do it on international flights out of Bangkok, so can't do it flying to Bangkok, can't do it domestically, and those are the flights I have now, so that really sucks. But yeah, I was saying before, like, the catering out of Hong Kong is just not great. I guess it's because Hong Kong is so non-vegetarian friendly, but maybe if you guys are not vegetarian, let me know how your experience has been with catering from Hong Kong. I'd be really curious to hear. Yeah, maybe it's just bad for us, but oh my gosh, Thailand is like a dream for vegetarians, so that's one of many reasons I'm so excited about my weekend there. Like, this is gonna be such a nice break from Korea. Like, it's just crazy. Seoul is so big. I don't know, the people are almost like Swedes in a way. Very, I don't know, just not so like nice to strangers. Which is the same as where I'm from, but as a foreigner then, it's just like not the most fun place in Asia to be. So I have like the traveler's curse in the sense that I'm always comparing it to other places. I'm sure I'd love it more if I'd only been there, and I'd be very impressed by like the whole super modern Asian vibe, but yeah, it's not my favorite place I've been, unfortunately. Oscar's only been in Thailand once, so, and I've been there like, I guess 5 times now almost, like not for so long most of the times, just like a day here or there, apart from the first time and when I volunteered. But I just like, there's so many things that make Thailand so amazing, like the food, like the spas, like the people are so amazing, so nice. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting. And tomorrow, we're taking classes from Bangkok, so we're like studying. We also have an assignment due on Friday. It's Wednesday today. So we have a bit of schoolwork. This isn't a break or anything, but we're just like, yeah, you know, we have to go. It's about time. And we're seeing our friend April Lin in Chiang Mai. You probably know her. You probably know her from my Instagram stories and stuff. Do you want to be in the video? Alright. Hello. Oscar doesn't, he like wants to be in my videos, but he doesn't like being in my videos. Okay. Anyway, it's not that we have some weird relationship. Like, it's just for some reason he's not in my videos so much, but you know he exists and stuff, and he comes with me, and he's in this video obviously. Alrighty, before we go, we can't forget to check out the bed, which is angled. I'd say it's actually about the same as on AirAsia, but the drop down here is really dramatic. I'm not sure if my seat is broken, but not the most comfortable, I have to say. Luckily, Thai is reconfiguring these planes, so that'll be nicer. Wow, welcome to my amazing hotel in Bangkok. Seriously, this is one of the reasons I love Thailand so much. This place is like 60 euros per night. So I've changed into pajamas. Let me just conclude what I thought about Thai Airways' A330. I like the soft product. I think they have a great concept, especially with the personal crew member, the pre-departure beverage of choice. All that stuff is nice. The catering was so-so, but I kind of blame that on Hong Kong, as I mentioned in the video. And ultimately, I would avoid their A330 in favor of a more modern aircraft, like their A350 or 777. So it's a fine flight, but if you can fly another aircraft with Thai, I'm sure it would be an even better experience. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope you enjoyed my little mukbang. It was a lot of fun to record, but it sucks I didn't get the food in. I watched the footage after. I was like, what the heck? But at least you saw it in the video beforehand. Okay, before I conclude in the video, I just want to say that I don't feel like I really got across here that I was actually super impressed by this flight. I came in with quite low expectations, and they were far exceeded. So really, I think that Thai Airways is a much better carrier since I flew them last. I think they had some very nice touches, such as the orchid. The drink was good. The service was good. There's a lot of things going for Thai Airways, and I would recommend them. All I'm saying is that they have even better aircraft types, which you should try to get on instead. As always, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and of course, comment below to let me know you watched it. Let me know if you've flown Thai down there too and how your experience was. And until I see you all next time, I'm going to bed. Fly safe.